If you're installing a fence because you're thinking about selling your house, some fences can actually increase your property value while others can hurt it. In this video, I'm going to show you the fence and railing styles that buyers love and what I would avoid as a fence contractor. We're going to start this video in the backyard. Now, if you're installing a backyard fence with the intention of selling your house, the most important thing to consider is the P word, privacy. Privacy fences are generally less expensive than your more decorative, ornate designs, and many new home buyers are actually happier with the privacy options. For the backyard, I recommend a vinyl privacy fence. Most new home buyers will be very pleased that they inherited this beautiful fence. It looks great, it's low maintenance, and it will last them a very long time. New home buyers will be extremely happy that they inherited a low maintenance fence that offers full privacy for their backyard. Another upgrade that can increase perceived value is high quality railings for your stoops. When buyers walk up to a house, the railings are one of the first things they touch. Cheap railings feel flimsy and temporary, but well-built railings can make the home feel solid and well cared for. When picking out a railing, it should be something that goes with the theme of the house, something that is durable and that will last a very long time. Unlike the railings at your grandma's house in Brooklyn, our wrought iron railings are sealed for rust protection and are virtually maintenance-free. They are custom welded to fit your stoop perfectly. The style variability with our iron railings allows you to customize and get the right fit for your property. Another great feature of our wrought iron railings is that they have a continuous top. This allows you to put your hand on the railing and walk up and down the stoop while never having to remove your hand off the railing. This is great for people who depend on the railing to go up and down the steps. Now let's move on to the front yard. For the front yard, a simple picket fence can dramatically improve curb appeal. White vinyl picket fences in particular are very popular because they frame the property without blocking visibility. Now that we've talked about fences and railings that can increase your property value, let's talk about a few things that I would avoid if resale was the primary goal. I would generally avoid doing a 5-foot high fence in the backyard, even if you really like your neighbor. Most new home buyers are going to be very pleased that they're inheriting a 6-foot high privacy fence that offers full privacy. A 5-foot high fence, to most people when they walk in the backyard, they'll just see it as something they will eventually have to upgrade so they can get full privacy. A good rule of thumb: the backyard is for privacy, the front yard is for socializing. Socialize with your neighbor in the front yard and get a privacy fence for your backyard. The new home buyers will thank you. Generally, I would avoid decorative fences for the sides and the back. Just go with your plain, solid privacy option. It is the most affordable and it offers the most amount of privacy, which is going to be the primary concern of new home buyers. Now, with that said, if you do want to get a little fancy, we often do decorative fronts. So the returns and the gates to the house can be decorative. That's what you see from the curb. So from the curb, it's nice to see a decorative lattice top or a picket top, but then transition to your privacy fence as you go down the sides and the back of the property. In general, I would avoid highly customized designs. These are great if you intend to live in your house for many years, but there's not much ROI if resale is your goal. Avoid box kit railings. Almost every boxed railing in one of your big home goods stores is going to feel and look cheap, because it is. You don't live in a warehouse, so why would you shop at one? Once again, our wrought iron railings are really great choices. Whether your goal is resale or if you're going to stay in your house for a really long time, I love these railings. There are many styles to choose from. They're custom welded, durable, and they last forever. These are a great choice for your property. Our aluminum and PVC railings are also super high quality and made for professional installations. And if you're the type of person who wants to do it yourself, I'm happy to help you with material orders. The final thing to avoid is a cheap installation job. Now, I'm not saying you should hire the most expensive company out there, but you should hire a reputable company, one with a website, Google reviews, and preferably a physical location. Get the job done right without taking any shortcuts. Believe me, the new home buyers will thank you and the perceived value of your property will be a lot higher. So to wrap up this video, for the backyard, a vinyl privacy fence is the way to go. It looks beautiful and is super low maintenance. This is a fence that most new home buyers will be thrilled to inherit. Just make sure you invest in a company that installs it correctly using a high quality product with a strong manufacturer's warranty and without taking any shortcuts during the installation. The same idea applies to railings. You don't need the most ornate design. A durable wrought iron railing gives you that sweet spot. It looks great, lasts a very long time, and improves the overall feel of the property without spending unnecessarily. With that said, if you need help with your fence installation, you can simply text or call me at this number here. This is my direct line. I will be the one answering your phone call or responding to your text message. My name is Alex. I am the 4th generation of Natural Beauty Fence here on Long Island, New York, and we do installations all over Long Island, New York City, Westchester, and New Jersey. And I'd be happy to come to your property, do a site visit, and work with you to figure out which options for fencing best suit your needs. In this video, I specifically talked about the best options for resale, but we install fences at all different kinds of properties for all different kinds of situations. So whatever you need help with regarding fences, gates, or railings, I'm happy to help. Just text or call me or leave a comment on this video and I will answer you. Thank you very much for watching. Check out this related content and we'll see you in the next video.